Hello traders, welcome back. In this session, we'll be discussing about the content structure of this course and my teaching approach. This course has 3 major topics. Each topic has its own subtopic. In the first module, we'll be discussing about price action analysis. In price action analysis, we will be covering basic of price action trading, how to read charts with price action, how to analyze trends, and you will be learning 6 price action strategies which can be used in bullish as well as bearish market. All these strategies will be explained to you with live market examples. In the second module, we'll be learning about patterns. We have figured out a new way to trade in these common patterns, which will help you to maximize your profits. The patterns which we will be discussing are channel pattern, head and shoulder pattern, cup and handle pattern, and flag pattern. In the third and the most important module, we'll be teaching you how to manage your risk while working on intraday and how to do fundamental analysis for swing trading. Along with that, we will be providing you tools like money management Excel sheet and one-click Excel sheet, which will be very useful while you're trading. We have tried to explain all the modules of this course as simple as possible so that it can be very easy for you to follow. Please look out for assignments and quizzes which we will be sharing with you along the way. That's all for this lecture. I'll see you in the next one.